The Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, Fastom, has decided to hold a mass rally at 11 a.m. on the 22nd of April 2022 at Malki ground, Shillong. Speaking to reporters, the spokesperson of Fastom, Mayborn Lyngdoh, said that the reason for holding the mass rally is because of the adamant nature of the government to meet the demands of ad hoc teachers for upgradation of ad hoc system into the deficit pattern. He also informed that during the recent meeting with the Secretary Education Ambrose Marak on the 18th of January this year, they had come to an agreement where enhancement of Rs 18,000 and 5% of increment towards their current salary would be borne by the Meghalaya government. However, he informed that till date there is no response from the state government as there has been no communication from the office of the Secretary Education Department to the government on the demand of ad hoc school teachers. Lyngdoh also informed that the association has invited all school teachers, ex-students of ad hoc schools and their parents to support the demand of the ad hoc school teachers by joining them at the rally to be held on the 22nd of April 2022.
So the reason why we are here to give a press conference is because we want to make all the teachers in the state of Meghalaya who are ad hoc teachers as well as non-ad hoc teachers, that we the ad hoc teachers have decided that we are going to have a mass rally on the 22nd of April this month. So the place that we are going to gather is at Malki ground at 11 a.m. So the reason why we are holding this public rally is because for the last 1 month we have been sitting there outside of the Ambrose office to demand our rights from the government. If we take you back to January 17, we the ad hoc teachers have staged a protest outside of the secretariat where we asked the government of Meghalaya to listen and to adhere to the demands that we made, that is to upgrade the ad hoc teachers to the status of deficit. On the 18th of January this year, we got a call from one of the officers of the government of Meghalaya, that is Ambrose Marak, and in relation to the conversation that we had with him, we came to an agreement that we are going to seek 18,000 of enhancement and 5% of increment from the government of Meghalaya. Since then, there has been no response on the government, and we tried to follow up, and on following up on this matter we realized that there is no proposal on the part of the office of Sir Ambrose that is being made to the government of Meghalaya. So there was no proposal that was being tabled. Therefore we decided on the 21st of March that we will have a general meeting. On the 22nd we had a peaceful rally of 30 teachers, and right from the 23rd of March we have had the sit-in protest outside of the Ambrose office. For the last 4 weeks or so, we have been sitting there and we got no response from the government whatsoever. Therefore, on the 22nd of April, we decided that we are going to launch the full-fledged non-cooperation movement. That is, we are not going to cooperate with the government anymore, and we are going to make the government listen to us in case they are deaf to our demands.